Great smart board here. We're going to be looking at zoom and the basic function in zoom, right? As you can see right here in my taskbar, here I have zoom, so I can actually click to get zoom, right? But if you notice right up here, I have zoom, so I'm going to click on it, then it brings up this little window here with several words that can actually take me to different areas. So I want to pay attention to the word open. So now I click on the word open, alright, notice it brings me to this section here. So we have new meeting, we have join, we have share screen, and we have schedule. Alright, if I click on chat up here, you can actually start a conversation here. Notice right here, you can snap screenshot right here. You can actually save a file or upload a file. Notice you can do an audio message right here, very important. Right, and if you notice right here, you can actually start a video meeting right away here, right? So click here, you notice you can actually record, right, and no upcoming meeting. You can click right here and start. You can actually copy invitation and edit, right? When you come on to contact now, you can have internal and start. You can actually use channels. So if I click right here and you click a pointer, you can add content, contact rather. You can create a channel, you can join with that channel. Alright, so let's go back to home. Right, so if I click right here, you notice you bring up this particular area. So if you actually enter a meeting actually every single day, right, most likely you just click right here, so I'm getting history, and for this just click and just add the password, right? And then here you can actually click to turn on audio, or you can click to turn on the video, right? We're going to be looking at the schedule part, right? So then click on schedule, right? If you notice right here, show the own chart. So you can click right at this little pointer here and schedule the time. You can put the minute and the hour. Right here, you can come right here, say time zone, and click on it. Don't click here Eastern US time, and if you have the meeting, right? But recurrent, if you click on recurrent, what recurrent do now? You have the meeting from 8 o'clock every single morning. So when you have that check now, then it will actually schedule for that particular time. But if you notice it's right here, say general meeting, this is my personal meeting ID, right? So if I click over here, say threads, I can actually generate. If I click generate, you notice it change the password. Come back over here and click, it will come back. You can actually turn on your video as a host or turn it off. A participant video you can actually turn it off, right? And click on Google Calendar. And when you finish, you can actually click save. Right? When if you have a code, you can actually type it inside of this. But what we want to focus on right now is the new meeting, right? But before we go to new meeting, this particular area, we can actually change this area, right? If you notice this little camera here, if I click on it, right, they're going to take me to the desktop, right? I'm going to click here on the desktop over here, right? I'm going to search photo here, and then we're going to click on open here. So I want to add a photo right here, right? And you see these are some different types of photo. I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to click open, right? You notice that actually changed, right? So now we're going to look at new meeting. So when I click right at this little pointer here, right, it shows that I can start this video. But if I click here to send to the video, notice share across over the video. Click it back again, alright. You can use personal meeting ID, right? And notice you can actually copy the ID, you can actually copy the invitation, set it, right? So we're going to click it. So when you click on it now, immediately you notice that the meeting that you go with me. You can actually notice immediately tell about the audio. So click here on the audio right here. You can come here and click and start the video, right? And you click right here on the video. You notice it's a video settings, right? So choose a filter and so choose virtual background. When you click here, you notice over here show your general video, audio, the screen sharing section, and here you can actually chat, right? Recording and all that. So these you can look on different virtual background. If I click right here, change. If I click right here, change again. If I click right here and if I click none, notice come back. Alright. And I can come right here to upload one. I'm going to come right here and close it. Alright, just notice the audio. When I come right here and click audio, you notice what I can definitely do. Right here, stereo mix. Alright, you notice retext. But remember now, if you have this on here, make sure it's the same, because if you don't have the same, what will happen? That you have problem hearing through, right? So in order for me to mute this, I'm going to click right here, and this is what it looks like. So unmute it like that. Click it and mute it. Alright, this particular mic here must keep mute at all time. The only time you open this mic unless you're speaking. If you're not speaking, keep it closed because it can be very distracted. Somebody just come in and just call somebody, or somebody show somebody and disturb the meeting that you're in. When you come onto the video, or you pay close attention to that. If your video is turned on like that, right? And if you turn on and you want to get up and you go show it like this, best for you to turn it off. Why? Because you will distract the person who is speaking, right? You're going to look at your security, right? You notice right here it says suspend participant, right? And if I uncheck this, like how this here right here, there's no video. And if I uncheck, the person can't unmute themselves. If I uncheck, they cannot name themselves either. Now do the talk in the chat, right? So when you see this like this, it's only me alone as the host can read share screen. So if I click it, there we get the opportunity to share, right? This, if I click this, I can actually hide this profile right here. That's very important. Waiting room, right? When you have the waiting room like this, check anybody that I give the meeting ID and come in, you have to definitely actually click on them for them to come in. Alright, and if you notice right here, select meeting, as most of this meeting in session. And if you lock it, whoever you password, so you can come in. And at all. Right? So very important. So what if somebody said they want to know the password that they don't remember the password? What you can do, you can come right here and click. You notice right here, this is the meeting ID that shows the host name, right? The passcode and all of that stuff here. So very important. Right? You can come out here. So now this is participant. When you click right here, participant, notice over here, show unlimited, unmute rather. You can click on read more and you can also edit the profile. Right? You can come right here and invite somebody. You can come right here and mute everybody. If you come right here, look point here. Right? You notice you can select the meeting again from the side. If you click on this, it means that when somebody come into the meeting, you hear them. When they leave, you hear them. Say allow participant to rename themselves. If you uncheck, then can't do that. Say allow participant to unmute themselves. And if you uncheck this, they can't mute themselves. Right? It's the mute participant upon entry. If you have this check, whenever that person come inside, whether they might open it won't disturb. Right? And if you notice, ask all to unmute. So if you are the host, actually disable, right? This other participants unmute themselves, right? And then when you want them to talk again, you can actually click this. Right? So very important, right? If you notice when you go up here, right, then just look up and if you click it, you notice you see close and the word pop out. If I click on it, right, you carry it right in here, so and if I click it right here, I'm going to go back and click on participant. Notice it carry right in the middle. But what if I want to take it back up here? Come right at this, you put that and I click. I go right here, so I say merge to meeting window. So I click right here. Notice go back. So now I'm going to click right here. I'm going to close it just like that. Right, so I want to invite, we're going to click right at this little pointer here. I'm going to click the word invite. So when you click invite, definitely you can actually click on this person from the contact, and then the person will come straight into the particular meeting here. Right, you notice I can copy invitation here. Let's copy the link, copy invitation right here. Right, so we're going to click here on the email. When you click on the email, notice you bring in default Gmail and Yahoo, and still show here that I can copy link and copy invitation. But what I want to focus on is the Gmail. So when you click on the Gmail there, right, what would you like me to bring me to a web section where I can actually type in the person's email address where I want to email it to and all of that, right? You notice it's actually preparing, right, that invitation that I can actually send out to the particular person, so the person can actually join the meeting, right? If you notice it's a loading Gmail, right, it's very important. Alright, so while it's loading there, alright, if you notice up here right here, so please join Zoom meeting in progress, and then right here set to right? And then if I click the M right here, you notice I can put this email address right here. So now say this is for the link, this is for the part code. And you come down here, is somebody here can use an adjust, make some adjustment to it. So I wanted to send it, I'm just gonna click right that. And notice it actually send. Alright, so bring this pretty screen. So what I want to do, I want to close that screen. Right, so it already that's how you actually send. So this is self, this is chat. When I click on the chat, notice you bring up this particular window here. You notice if I click right down here, I show you to everyone. Right, and if I come right out here, sure that I can also click that no one do any talking. You can come right as a host only, right, and to everyone publicly, right. And if I come like this, I'm gonna type something, and then I'm gonna say greetings, right. I'm gonna type greetings in it. I press enter. Notice it show up here. So anybody at all in this Zoom meeting video, they will see this, right. So the next thing I want to seal the chat. If I come right here, I can click right here and seal the chat. Notice, seal the chat. Right, so very important, right? So here, notice it's a file. If I click right here, notice I can actually upload a file. So if I say from my computer, right? Notice it bring up this right here. So I wanted to show one of these. Alright, we're going to click right here. We're going to click on open. Alright, if you notice up here, it actually upload the file here. So very important. So all of that I can actually do in Zoom. You can come right here so and close it. Right, screen sharing, and notice if I click here on screen sharing, right, and notice it bring up basics, advanced, and files, right. So if I click this show you one entire screen, right, and everything else open inside it you will see. But if you notice right here, so optimize, right, if I click on this right here when I show a video, person will hear. But if you have these unchecked, person won't hear, right. So when I click on whiteboard here, I click share, right. Notice this is for the whiteboard come up, and these are what I can use to operate the whiteboard. But if you notice it gives me a nice pencil. I can actually draw here just like that. I can click right here. I can actually type inside here just like that with it. I can come here. I can get a stick, other stamp, right. I can actually click here, right. I can come up here. I can actually get this highlighter here, right. I can come right here. I can get this stamp right here, stamp right here. When I finish, I can actually clear it. I can actually clear all join right here. I can actually save it and all that. I can actually close it. So very important. So I can actually come right here and actually stop it. So advanced sharing, right? Notice that click here. Go and click on advanced sharing. Notice if I'm doing a PowerPoint presentation, I can click this and put my picture on the PowerPoint presentation. If I use a second camera, I can actually click and go to it. But using a portion of my screen that nobody can actually see. Right? So if I click a portion of the screen and I click on share, notice this blue streak around here, right? Whosoever join the meeting, the only thing I can see inside here. So if I come right here, I can actually pull in this like that. I can actually carry it in like that, right? So whosoever I'm meeting, they cannot see nothing outside. The only thing they can see is what's inside. So if I come right here, and I move it over here, they will see this. But if I actually carry it back like this, they only can see exactly what's inside it. Alright, so very important. So I can come right here, I stop share, right? And I go back again. Alright, so notice, this right I can share music and all of that. When you click on file, you notice I can take a file from Dropbox, right? You can take it from Microsoft SharePoint, you can take it from Google Drive and all of that, and then you share it. Alright, so very important right here. Right, so when you come right here, you can actually click, you can actually share your entire screen just like that. You can actually stop here. But if you click right here, look at share button right here. Notice you can click to right have one person share. And if you click this one, multiple participants can share simultaneously in advance, right? If you notice you come right here, you can actually click and record. right? So if you come here, so you click, you record, you notice, alright, let me, again, you notice right up here, start to record, you can come right here, you can pause the record, you can start it again, you can start the record here, right? This is a breakout room. When you click on breakout room, this is what come up. You can assign automatical, you can assign manually, right? You can come right here, so you can actually increase and the amount of room that you want and all that, and we're going to press create, right? And host can actually move you, or you can assign it manually, right? Or you can choose a room you want, right? So very important, right? And then reaction. So when you click on reaction, right? Somebody do something spectacular, just click like that, and notice it show up here, alright? And click now, you're going to give the person a thumbs up. Notice it actually show up here, so just the same. So very important, right? So what if you want to go up, you just click right here, so expand it some more. Now that you want to end the meeting, come right here. So if I click right here, you want to receive leave meeting or end meeting. If you are not the host, you want to receive leave. Right? So I'm going, if I click this, it will end meeting for everybody. Just like that. I want to do that. Actually, I end up back with a screen like this. Right? To the basic screen. Right? So I hope you have learned something from this basic video here. Right? It's very important, right? Have to look at each particular area. Right? Very important.